Oh, dito pa dito.
Mami, excuse dyan.
Come here, start video tayo dito. Come here.
Hello.
Hello. This is, ano yan, Metro Manila.
Yeah.
Manila? Manila. And this is Antipolo on top of the Cloud 9. Oh.
You take a picture with your family. Kita mo pala talaga yung city. Focus.
Parang mag-ama kayo ah.
Ganto kami. Gabi lang kami.
Wow! Tara na. Mabagal yan. Mabilisin. May flower ako. Ang ganda naman niya. Wow, Aldab. Inaantay ka niya kasi nga panira to si Mami. Ay, pumasok sa loob. Yes, to you. Ang sweet naman nila. Ang ganda naman. Oh, ang ganda.
Ah, Mami. Nakakalingrap pa.
Ay, galing. Happy birthday to Mami Wowa. Mami na lang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Mami Wowa. Wowa. Wowa.
Blow the candle.
Let's blow the candle.
Okay, we're gonna do it in.
Oh, isa pa daw. Happy birthday to Mami Wowa.
Happy
Happy birthday to Mami Wowa. Happy birthday to...
And now, blow the candle in 3, 2, 1. Blow! There we go!
Is Mami Wowa.
Yes. Layo ng parking eh. Daddy. Vlogger? Oh, yun ang vlogger. Hello. Oh, sige. Meron din daw. Ay, go na. Oh, laglag dito. Pa dito. Video yan. Posing ka lang. Ganda. Video.
Kita nga, kita ba? Kita yung background.
Wait yan.
Happy birthday to Mami Wowa.
Gasha?
Happy birthday
To Mami Wowa. Louder.
Happy birthday to Mami Wowa.
Gasha? Kiss Mami Wowa. Kiss Mami Wowa.
Mami.
Now, my new name is Panservice Nita. Hey!
Pang.
feeling that you're holding my heart, and I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll be together, no one can break us apart.